Hey everyone, I am live. I wanted to give an update on the SBA disaster loans. But first I posted my sister said I wasn't. I'm too serious, and now I'm being serious. But I want to make sure this is fun. So the SBA has just recently posted. I mean, they're every day there's just new stuff that's coming out, and so I just want to make sure that no one misses out on any valuable information that could help their business. And I'm going to share my screen here. This Oh, that's the Facebook. So I got this from a buddy from Roderick. He's lender relations in the SBA office, and under the program, and make sure when you go on the website, so you got your the website is right here is disasterloan.sba.gov, and it'll tell you which counties you're able to apply um, for for the loan. What I had noticed, it was just today that in the state there's counties within the state of Alabama that are now eligible. Unfortunately, most of them are in the near the Mobile area. But here's the way to apply for the loan. You go through that website. They'll have you can download the application, um, which uh, which which I can show later on. You got the fee disclosure form, 159 form. Um, that's if you wanted to use someone to help package that loan for you. I mean, we had the ability to do that. The 413, which is a personal financial statement. And the cool thing, they have this also in Spanish, 4506T. And then you got your schedule of your liabilities, instructions, um, and that's what it is here. Now, ideally, it's for loans for businesses to repair or replace disaster damaged property that's owned by a business, but now they're including the the COVID-19 virus, and so for this loan, just to make sure people truly understand, you still have to still have to qualify for the loan. You know, Um, it says here, what are the credit requirements? Applicants must have a credit history acceptable to the SBA. Applicants must show the ability to repay back the loans. Um, the common question would be like, well, how can I show my ability to pay back the loan with this coronavirus, right? Hey, don't kill a messenger. Collateral is required for physical loss for any loans over 25 grand. And there's all these loans you can use as home loans, business loans, and also nonprofits can actually apply. Um, and and what are the loan terms? It says under SBA guidelines it could be as long as 30 years, and with those probably going to be on the as far as on the real estate side versus uh, the business loan side. If you have other loans, let's say with businesses, credit available, restricts businesses with credit available elsewhere for maximum 7-year term. So basically, what they're saying is if you can go to the bank and get access to the loan at the bank, they prefer that you do that. How much can you actually apply for? You can apply up to $2 million, and and then for actually you can get a home loan up to 200,000. Um, and and when you look at what are restrictions on loan eligibility, uninsured losses, ineligible property like second homes, pleasure boats, that kind of stuff. They want the loans to be on for your primary residence. Is there help with funding mitigation improvements? Um, More so on the house standpoint, is there a bill for refinancing? Uh, it looks like you can do that, and uh, and pretty much here are the requirements. If you have any questions, there's a telephone number to ask a question, or you can send an email to disaster customer service at sba.gov. But there's a few key things to be to understand on these SBA loans. So number one, you got to be able to show that you can pay back the loan, and you got to show, and you also have to be able to show that whatever disaster has affected your business. Hey, from revenues for A to B. I know recently we were getting this disaster economic injury worksheet that we were using to show the difference. So if you kind of look here, when did impact start, when did it end? Obviously we're kind of in the midst of a lot of this. Other parts of the country, um, are deep into it, and so this document right here can kind of help kind of piece the information together on your business. If you reach out to me, I'll be happy to send a copy of this to you. Or one of the things, I'm on one of my websites, I'm going to make this information available, um, uh, to email out on the keysforbusiness.com. But uh, the obviously you can just go directly to the SBA website, but I wanted to point this out, that the biggest thing I'm looking at is that they want to, you must be able to show that you have the ability to pay back the loan somehow. So that's the key thing that I've learned by just reading that information. And like I said, don't kill the messenger here. But I appreciate you all checking me out and everything. Keep the faith, and join me the next time, and um, I'll talk about other cool stuff. But thank you.